So what I'm doing here is just like these little watch batteries, right? Or I think they're like sensor batteries. I don't know if you can see it. Oops. LR41. So I just took the straw. This is like one of those straws from like the sippy cups, and just cut it in half. And I'm just like stacking them in parallel. Took a little while, but I got all of them together. 56 of them. Now let's get the voltage. The reason why it's so hairy is because I got cats. Okay guys, let's check it out. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 8 inches. Um, 7 times 8 is 56. So there's 56 batteries there. Let's set the voltage. $80 volts. There you go. 80 volts. So what this means is, this is the 1 foot, and it's 80 volts for 1 foot. So like, if you have 6 of these, like a little stick, you know, just touch people with beep, beep, beep. That would be like 480 volts. Like, you're talking like a train track. Poke somebody, it'd be like a train track. Get their jolt of their lives.